I'm so pleased to introduce you to, first and foremost, to our young model today. Sofia, welcome to Castel Cecconi. Benvenuta Sofia, grazie per essere qui. And of course, Valeria Lobbia, that is our master today for newborn families, portraits, you name it. You are definitely a successful case in our domestic market and much more than that. So enjoy the next session. Thank you for being with us, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, Valeria Lobbia, it's all you. Sofia, thank you.
Thank you so much. Hi, everybody. I'm Valeria. I'm an Italian photographer. I've been a photographer since the last 10 years. And I specialized in family photography, especially motherhood, pregnant newborn babies. I'm a mother myself, and as my two daughters are 4 and 6 years old, I started to develop my own language, my own session, and because I want to provide them with beautiful memories of their childhood. So to study a different way to give my client something more artistic and more fashion. I usually use backdrop canvas backdrop that I paint myself because I wanted also the backdrop matches with my whole composition and style. Also the dress is made handmade by an Italian stylist, and I use a simple setup made by usually only one light that is a flash 400 watt and a modifier 19 centimeter diameter. Then I'm using a round reflector under my model. So, we can start. Ok, allora, Sofia, vieni in mezzo. Yes. And just starting. Okay. I'm shooting with Fuji GFX camera, that is a medium format camera with the 63mm lens that corresponds at 50mm in full frame format. I give Sofia some simple posing instruction. For me, it's important, photographing, it's important to be careful about posing because and I don't want she looks like a woman. So it's a fine line posing woman and posing childhood. Okay, so every about posing, outfit and styling my model. Prova a mettere le mani, bravissima, bellissima. Right up, ok, relax, relax your shoulder, ridassi le spalle, bravissima. Adesso spingi bene il viso verso di me, ok? Bravissimo. Perfect. And I reached, just in camera, this extremely painterly effect. So, I wanted to tell you that my modifier is it's tilted at 45 degrees in the front plane. It is a simple butterfly beauty setup that is made, usually used for fashion photography. And this is my first setup. We can play with body language, with shape of a body. So, prova a mettere le mani come prima, una mano abbraccia, bravissima, l'altra mano sotto, bravissima. I don't want the hand to look. I want very few hand in my composition. Ok, dritta il viso. Ok, gira un pochino, perfetto. Rilassa la bocca. Allora, restami dritta col viso. Ok, perfetto. Lungo il collo verso di me. Bravissima. Perfetta. Apri bene gli occhi, un pochino il mento. Brava. Perfettissima. Brava. Ok. Let's open our composition. We can start also moving and make some other composition in the frame. Ok. Allora, la mano ritorna a mettermi nella corteccia, abbraccia. Inclina un pochino il viso, ancora un po'. Ah, ok, bravissima. Chiudi gli occhi. Wow. Beautiful, Sofia. Ok, perfect. This is the result. The shadow is very present in my composition, but it's not so hard light. I like soft light because we are shooting children, so it's important light setup. Ok. Possiamo cambiare un pochino. Yes. Tu resta pure dove sei. Ti faccio girare. Turn. Ok, turn a little bit. I style myself, my model. I usually make styling and no makeup because they are children and it's important to keep them natural. For me, it's important. I wouldn't like my daughters to be makeup. So, ok. Adesso gira leggermente il viso verso di me. Brava, bravissima. Ancora un po', more. Bravissima. Perfetto. Soffia un po', Sofia. Rilassa la bocca, brava. Riesci a venire leggermente un po' più in qua? Ok, brava. Prova, guardami, la spalla un po' in avanti, ancora, bravissima. Non esagerare, bravissima. Ok, adesso abbassa un po' il mento e gira un po' il viso verso di me. Guardami, bravissima. Stop. Ok, torna indietro come prima. Aspetta, non muoverti, torna. Brava, bravissima. Vieni un po' più avanti. Ok, stop. E adesso prova la spalla, turn your shoulder, ok? And it's... Abbassa un pochino il mento. Brava, e girati un po' verso di me. Ancora solo il viso, solo il collo. Oh, bravissima. Ecco, ecco, ecco. Perfect. You are beautiful. Ok. Proviamo, ruota un po', ruota verso di me. Ok. Prova a mettere, non troppo, va bene così. Prova a mettere quella mano sul collo. Brava. Ok, allora, let's check the air. Ti ricordi come abbiamo detto prima? Ok. Don't touch the neck. It's only near. Dita chiuse. Anche queste belle morbide. Perfetto. Perfetto. Ok. Benissimo. Morbidi le labbra. Bravissima. Perfetto. Alza un pochino il mento. Brava. Perfect. You are beautiful. Bravissima. Girati dritta. Ok, ancora. Ancora. Riesci a mettere sotto. Bravissima. Ti risistemi i capelli. Resta pure dove sei. Ok. You can also keep your... Ok. Embrace yourself. Beautiful. Beautiful. Lungo il collo verso di me, lungo il viso verso di me. Perfect. Wow. Can you keep your finger a little... Ok. Not too straight, non troppo. Ok? Tornami dritta col viso. Bravissima, stop. Stop that. Perfect. Wow, we got it. Ammorbidisci le labbra. Wow. Ok. Bene. We can change something about the session. So, it's time of, the time of breaking time, no? We can make a chignon. Okay, Sofia, vieni, come here. We can change something about hairstyling. So we can make a chignon. And my styling is simple and fast, usually very fast. But it allows me to give more variety in my session. No, not now. So, ok, abbiamo finito? Sì, nel senso. No, perché non riesco a capire se siamo giusti o no. Ok.